This short video will guide you through removing, installing, and adjusting the height of a drawer with the Soft Close feature. Part 1. Removing a drawer from a case with Soft Close slides. Begin by opening the drawer to the full open position. Squeeze both handles on the drawer clips located on the bottom of the drawer in the front corners. While still squeezing, lift and pull the drawer forward out of the cabinet and off of the drawer slides. Part 2. Installing a drawer on Soft Close slides. Begin by pulling the slides that are in the case to the full out position. Place the drawer on the slides as far back as possible and make sure notches in the bottom back corners of the drawer box fit over the drawer slides. When the drawer is resting on the slides and the slides are in the notches in the drawer back, pull the slides forward until they snap into the drawer clips. Part 3. Adjusting the drawer up or down. If the gap between the top of the drawer and the case is too large or too tight, you may adjust the drawer height. This may be done without removing the drawer from the case. Each side of the drawer may be adjusted up or down independently of the opposite side. With the drawer installed in the case, locate the drawer clips on the bottom side of the drawer at the front corners. Within the clip is a lever that functions to raise and lower the drawer in the opening. To raise the drawer, press and slide the lever backward toward the back of the case. To lower the drawer in the opening, press and slide the lever forward to the front of the case. If you need more information, please visit us online at Hekman.com.